Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we will be comparing the Elevon portable mini washing machine with spin dryer and the 15.8L upgraded mini washer. Both of these compact laundry solutions are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The Elevon portable mini washing machine features a sturdy, rigid plastic design that provides stability during operation. In contrast, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design made from food-grade silicone, making it exceptionally portable and easy to store. This difference in design caters to varying user preferences for stability versus portability. When it comes to washing capacity, the Elevon can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for slightly larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine offers a volume of 15.8 liters, which is ideal for smaller items. This capacity difference may influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. Portability is another key factor. The Elevon weighs 14 pounds, making it less convenient for travel, while the portable washing machine is ultra-light at just 4.52 pounds, perfect for on-the-go use. Additionally, the Elevon has a fixed height, whereas the portable washer can be folded down to a mere 6 inches, making it a great choice for those with limited storage space. In conclusion, both the Elevon portable mini washing machine and the 15.8L upgraded mini washer have their unique advantages. If you prioritize capacity and stability, the Elevon is a solid choice. However, if portability and compact storage are your main concerns, the portable washing machine is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.